G'day YouTube, Down the Bricks here. We're going on a hunt today. We're heading to my local Big W. I'm going to leave me sunnies on because it's bright as the sun's in my face. So, looking for new Lego. Very excited. Big W's got 20% off as well, so that is awesome. Now, I know they've got the new stuff because I was in there on Friday and they actually had a pallet of new stock on the ground. When I talked to the employee there about whether he was going to put it up on the shelf, he actually said he wasn't allowed to put the new sets out. They had to do a relay. The manager had to do a new relay on the shelf to fit all the new stock. So he had to wait for a manager before they could put the new sets out. So I'm hoping today they have got that. This is on Sunday, so 2 days later, hopefully they've got to it and we can see some new sets on the shelf. Now, I did already get some new stuff because the guy that I was talking to on Friday, we actually went through the pallet and he grabbed a heap of new stock out for me and I put them on lay-by, but I didn't get everything I wanted, so we're going back today to have another look. So let's go and check it out. Oh yeah.
There's your video.
Oh, base plates, 12 bucks. Nice. What else we got here? Looking for new stuff. Good price on Speed Champs, 36. Oof. Train track, 20 bucks, good price. Minifig pack. Oh, look at this beauty. Couple of trains at $149, so that's 20% off, 119 bucks. Hospital at 99. Falcon. Good price on the Benatar. There's the new stuff. Technique. Oh, Anakin's fighter. There's a new set. There's one. Oh, good price on the battle packs. Oh, new DC. That'll be 20% off. Another one down here. Jurassic World. Pretty disappointing though. Where's all the new sets? Crikey. Look at it up here though. Look at all the stock. Holy dooly. Boxes and boxes. Check this out. This is the big Arctic set. Sitting on there. It's on special, 103 bucks. Sitting up on top, not on the shelf. Got Friends. Oh, $2 for a Polly. And Jargo. Don't know what's new here, what's not. But I do like the look of this dragon. That's pretty cool. So we've got some elves, more friends and Disney here. Look at all this. Look at it all. Oh man. So much on top of the aisles. Chock-a-block. Both sides, on this side too. That's a bat wing up there. Holy dooly! Oh, what have we here? Oh, what a bargain! I missed out!
All out of stock.
Another bargain here. Raptor Escape 49. Well, there we go. Not a whole lot of new stuff, so they still haven't put it out. They've got so much stuff on the top of the aisles. It's unbelievable how much stock is on top of the aisles. Yeah, there's stuff that's on top of the aisles that's not even on the shelves, so I don't know how they ever expect to sell anything. I did talk to a staff member, and she did put out a couple of new sets, which you did see in the video, but most of it she said she couldn't fit it up, so she has to leave it for a manager. So I was hoping to have a look at the Harry Potter stuff, because I know they've got that as well. I know it's been selling out very fast around the country, so I know they got boxes of the Harry Potter. And there's a couple of Star Wars sets I still need to get. She did go out and have a look for those, but couldn't find them, so I'll have to just wait until they get those in. But we did get a couple of things. So first of all, I did get some base plates. So these are normally, I think, retail for 20 bucks. Mini Dub's mucking around here. They normally sell for 20 bucks. Big Dub sell them for 15, and then because 20% off, they were $12. So didn't really want to spend the money on base plates, but I did get 5 of these, because for 12 bucks, that is a bargain. You're not going to get them any cheaper than that. So we got 5 of them. That's right. See, look, if you don't believe me, there we go. And then the other thing we did get, I got this for Mini Dub. He's going to enjoy watching this, but of course I got it for the Jessica Cruz minifig. So that's a really cool looking minifig. Jack, Mini Dub, little Jack. He's got something. Mini Dub? That's right. I was getting it wrong, wasn't I? Okay, he did pick up a couple of things, so I'll let him take over now. What'd you get, mate?
Okay, so first of all, I got this.
Oh, look out.
Mustang, the old Mustang.
The old Mustang. That looks pretty cool.
And then you've got like the back, like you got the back lights and even the where is it, there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And what else you get?
Last thing. We got 2 things. Is the Matchbox car, police car. Oh,
you got a Matchbox car. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So there you go. So not a whole lot. Not a whole lot, unfortunately. I was hoping that they would have the solo speeder bikes and the train. That's the couple of sets that
they did have an orange train.
Yeah, they did have the train. That was a bargain, that train, for $119.
Was it $22?
No, that's train track. It was $22. Yeah.
What wasn't it, 103?
103 was that big Speed Champions set. Was it the Ferrari Speed Champions, I think?
Yeah.
Was that it?
And
yeah.
that train,
he wanted to get that, but we ended up getting the small one instead. But that's it. We can't ramble on forever. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this hunt. Give it a thumbs up. Something a little bit different. I'll put it up during the week sometime. Not sure when I'll get it up on YouTube, but I'll try and do that very soon. City update coming soon. another haul video. I've got a big heap of sets at home, so I want to show that off. So that'll probably be my next video after this one. But anyway, enough rambling on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.